Alright, I figured I would go ahead and skip ahead to my really extra special fancy project. So it's taken me probably almost a couple of hours, maybe 3 hours, to get this all rigged up. The rotary table, the indexing or dividing head, plus getting the mill turned onto its side. So I'll show you what it is that I've got going on here. Put you in the holder here. Alright, so I've got my collet finished. Just a little set screw to take this 1/2 inch material. And right now I've got a 1/4 inch end mill in there. I started out with an 8.5 millimeter, and this is what I wound up with. If this will focus. Trying to get this nice curved slot in there, I guess you could call it. So anyways, I'll temporarily chuck this in for you. I didn't like the size of the 8.5 millimeter, so I decided to go ahead and go with, or give this 1/4 inch bit a try. I'm probably not gonna actually start making chips here. I just wanted to kind of give you guys an idea of what it is that I'm doing here. So this is how I'm securing my collet. Okay, I'll just leave it at that for the time being so you guys can at least get the gist of what's going on here. So right now I've got the center of the dividing head on center with the mill itself, the spindle of the mill. And starting it out at about that position there, excuse me, kind of working around the camera here. Hopefully I don't crash the thing. Anyways, so that's approximately where I wind up starting at. What I'll do is fire up the mill, not on camera of course, but I'll fire up the mill and I will move the cutter into the work. And once I get a good bite on it, then I'll just start rotating this guy around. I still haven't figured out exactly how many degrees I'm going to go in each direction, but that's what's going to give me the funky curvature to all of this. And then of course, when I get one situated the way I want to, then I will increment the dividing head. I'm hoping to go for 6 flutes. Yeah, flutes, that sounds about better. Hoping to go for 6 flutes on this thing. Now granted, right now all I'm doing is the test piece of it. I'm still probably not going to get much of anything accomplished for the real part tonight, because I don't plan on using a lame piece of steel for this. I'm hoping to use some of this. So, call this the special sauce. A little bit of pretty bronze will really, really put the sparkle into this thing, I think. So, my initial thought is I might try cutting this off in the lathe, drilling and tapping it to 1/4 28, and then taking a 1/2 inch thick chunk of the bronze, drilling and tapping it to 1/4 28 also, and try and secure it on there. But I don't know if that's going to be strong enough. So I may give that a try, or I might just take a piece of the bronze and just turn it into 1/2 inch diameter round stock. So we'll see. Still need to sort out that sort of stuff, but I also need to figure out if the 1/4 inch bit is going to do what I want to do, give me the end result, the end appearance that I want. So other than that, wish me luck on the motor on this thing. It does not sound like it likes being laid on its side running. I've been kind of having to baby it to get it started, so that'll kind of excuse me, that'll kind of put a damper on my tool making competition if my motor goes out part way through the build on this thing. So we'll see. Anyways, I just figured some of you guys would get kind of a kick out of this. I'll bring you back hopefully sometime tomorrow when I've got a little bit of something accomplished to show for this. And catch you later.